Hey guys, it's Dani and welcome to another video, and I'm here with updates on these two invests currently having high chances to become tropical cyclones in the next few days. But before I go into details, please take a second or two to tap that subscribe button if you haven't, as well as the notification bell so you know every time when I post a new video. And you can also share to make persons out there know what is taking place and to help the channel grow. And please follow my weather account on Instagram at weathergirldani2. I'm leaving the link in the description below. Okay, so here we have Invest 95E, which is more of a threat to parts of Mexico and Guatemala for the next few days. And then we have Invest 97E to the west of it, almost to the exact west. So let us kick things off with what is little of concern right now, which is Invest 97E, but still worth watching. Okay, so at this time, Invest 97E not looking so organized, but of course as time goes by we will see it becoming more and more together, and we're not seeing much circulation right now either. Most of the convection is off to the west of the system, so we will see more organization as time goes by, and at this time not a threat to land, but things might change soon. And next we have Invest 95E. This will probably become IVO very soon, probably by the next day or two. And then we have it is currently more of a rainfall threat for parts of southwest Mexico as well as parts of Guatemala for the next few days. And it is expected to move parallel to Mexico, not making a direct impact, but if it is too close for comfort, gonna get that heavy rainfall, which is likely to produce some flash flood in there. So if you're there, you want to be cautious of that and be prepared for any type of wet weather. Okay, so for the potential intensity of Invest 95E, we see that every single model at this time saying that it will in fact become a tropical storm. About half of that amount say it will become a hurricane, and then two saying that it will become a Category 2 hurricane, and none at this time are predicting it to become a major hurricane. So it may not achieve that status, but we still have to wait and see what is going to take place. And the next concern is for the path. It might make a Baja California Peninsula impact. Okay, so here we have majority of the models keeping it in that area going through this week and into the weekend, but if it is going to make an impact, it will likely be weakening, because after this system is going to pass this part of the peninsula, the tip of it is going to be moving into cooler waters, and you know what that means. The cooler the waters, the more strengthening is there for the tropical cyclone. Actually weakening, not strengthening. Alright, so by the midweek or potentially sooner, we could see this becoming IVO, and then we have Brewing Tropical right there to the west of it. So we just have to wait and see what exactly is going to take place with these two tropical cyclones, Brewing Tropical cyclones, for the next few days. And then nothing much is going on over in the Atlantic. Here is the defeated Invest 97L going to move on a westerly-like track for the next few days. Right now, the National Hurricane Center not anticipating it to become a tropical cyclone. It has a very low 10% chance, and that is due to cooler waters and other factors that help to inhibit tropical cyclone formation. So if you found this video informative, please smash that like button, and remember to always be weather-wise, and I will keep giving updates on the tropics.